Okay, we're digging out all that crap and all of the roots that were down inside this area here that was ruining the foundation. It was also seeping huge amounts of water into the basement. Even after this last rain, there was a huge puddle. So all of that is going to get all along there, that edge, all the way down. There's a big chunk that was already disintegrating, all the way down. That's the front. So the other side I got sealed. I'm going to need more tubes of concrete caulk stuff, but well, I'm going to patch up areas like that. You see moisture and shit runs off from the patio down into the basement. All of this is getting elastomeric primed and then elastomeric coating, which is a substantial shell. But first I'm going to go along this edge here and refill it in with a real durable concrete. But I'm cleaning it up right now. Alright. Well, it's really hot and humid today. So I'm going to go get a drink of water.